Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about an interesting opportunity in customer support. The company's name is Boom Entertainment, and this is a technology company mainly into sports products and casino games. And here, and the company is offering customer support representative role with the compensation rate of $15 per hour. And here, you will be required to work at weekends. So here, the company is seeking a fully remote customer support representative, and initially, this role will be responsible for working Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday between 4 p.m. ET and midnight ET, and the target compensation for this role is $14 per hour. So, in addition to this, the company is also offering reimbursement for home office setup and health, dental, and vision, health, dental, and visual insurance. Okay. The company is looking for someone with at least 2+ years of experience in the company is looking for someone with at least 2 years of experience in customer support or operations role, preferably in sports, tech, or startup. So the profile's name is customer support representative, weekends required. And here this is a remote job opportunity. And this is a full-time remote job opportunity with Boom Entertainment. Now let's check out about the details. So here, Boom Entertainment is a technology company that is fueling the biggest winners in sports betting and online gaming, working with professionals, working with professional sport leagues, media companies, and leading casino operators. Boom provides technology and games to many of the biggest names in the industry: NBC Sports, Barstool, Barstool Sports, Penn National Gaming, ATM Golf, Yes Network, and Rush Street Interactive, DraftKings, Golden Nugget, and many more. So the company has two main verticals: sports products and casino games. And their sports products include Boom Fantasy. The company is also into building world-class free-to-play games and technology. And here the company is seeking a customer support representative, full-time remote opportunity, and initially, as I said, that this is a weekend required role, and here you will be working from Thursdays to Monday between 4 p.m. ET between 4 p.m. ET and midnight ET, and the target compensation for this role is $15 per hour. Now let's check out about the skills and qualifications that the company has mentioned for the role of customer support representative. So Boom Entertainment requires So for its customer support role, Boom Entertainment requires someone with at least 2 years of experience in customer support or operations role, preferably in sports or tech or startup. So you should have knowledge of and enthusiasm for sports gaming and technology. So if you have interest in sports or sports gaming, etc., you will be a preferred candidate. So a knowledge of online gaming fraud, payments, gaming tools, systems, and reports is highly preferred. And you should have experience working with customer support tools like Zendesk and Intercom, and outstanding written communicator, collaborative team-oriented mindset. You should have a strong internet connection and reliability because this is a remote opportunity and you can work from home or from home or anywhere as long as you have this and a laptop or desktop. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities. So as a customer support representative, you will be providing live customer support for contest entrants via email and live chat features, Zendesk and Intercom. You will be handling support requests and escalating them to the appropriate parties. You will be monitoring for critical site issues and escalate to the proper channels to ensure a speedy resolution. You will be resolving bet and contest inquiries regarding sporting rules and account and billing queries from users. You Requests include verifying user identities during sign-up, gameplay questions, the status of withdrawals, and more. So, so these are some of the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a customer support representative at Boom Entertainment. And this is a sports or gaming company. You need to be dealing with customers queries related to gaming or related to gaming or betting, etc. Here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned to for its customer support representative role. So this is a fully remote position and a quarterly contest and giveaways featuring prizes and swag boxes. And you will be getting $300 to set up your home office and parental support or like paid leaves, childcare and adoption benefits. You will be having health, dental and vision benefits, 40K, 40K match and FSA, a great culture that includes support for learning and development. So these are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. So if you wish to apply for the job, here's the application form and you can fill up your name, email ID, phone number and attach your resume here, a cover letter. And here you need to provide, are you available to work? Are you available to work remotely from 4 p.m. ET to midnight p.m. ET on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday? They require someone to work on weekends, so you have to provide that as well. Then submit your application. So yeah, go ahead and check out all the details. And if you think that this position could be a good fit for you, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.